It is not unusual at all for people to not really understand what's going on in their criminal case and what the process is going to look like. That is one of the real value points that I bring to any case where a client hires me on a criminal charge and to defend them in that case, is an understanding of what's going to go on. It may seem intuitive, but so many times people hire lawyers and they really don't understand what's going to go on with their case, even what court dates that they're required or not required to appear at. So one of the things that I hear from clients a lot is, hey, you filed these motions on the case. Doesn't the judge go ahead and just rule on those motions without having any sort of formal hearing where there's evidence presented or any of that stuff? Can't the judge just look at the motions, get a response from the other side, the state in your criminal case, and make a decision on those motions? And unlike a civil case, let's say a personal injury case or a divorce case or other types of civil cases, in your criminal case in Georgia, a judge is never going to make a decision on any of those motions without an actual hearing. So unless the parties call the judge's office or email the judge's office and say, hey judge, we'd like for you to rule on these motions just by virtue of the documents themselves, you will never have a decision on those motions prior to there being a hearing where the judge hears argument and or evidence from the parties presented in the case. So whenever a lawyer files motions on your behalf, you have to know that there will be an actual court date where you will almost certainly have to appear, where the judge will make a decision on those motions. So, for example, a motion to suppress your statements or other evidence that the police obtained in your case, those motions will never be decided without you actually having a court date. So I hope that helps clarify sort of what goes on in the motions process, but also to let you know kind of procedurally the way that things will flow in your case.